When you wish to grade the forum, click on the downward chevron and mark. You'll get a list of all the students registered on that course. Click on mark next to their name and their threads are going to appear. If there's one you haven't read yet, it'll be here with needs marking, and you can show all of the posts together or simply the latest one. You can give a simple mark, maybe put on 40% and give feedback to the learner. However, if you have a rubric set up, you can simply click on this and you can choose which parts of the rubric these posts satisfy. And we can see they've already been set up from when you set up your rubric. Maybe it's proficient in this, competent in that, and novice in this. This will give a calculated grade, a raw grade. However, you might decide the student warrants a different grade. Perhaps they're slightly better than novice but not competent, or perhaps they're not quite proficient but better than competent. So you can add or plus a little bit depending on you. I'm going to put down 56 here. And you can give feedback which is related to the rubric, and depending on how you set your rubric up, students may or may not be able to see this. We click Save, and then we have the feedback directly to the learner. Now the previous feedback, as I mentioned, is tied to the rubric and how you set it up, but this feedback will go straight to them. I click that in. Now, these are all changeable. Depending on when you decide to mark your forum, perhaps you might want to mark it throughout the year, or maybe you're just going to mark it at the end of your semester. This is up to you. If you are changing the grade, or if you are marking it throughout the year, these are all changeable. So you can change the markup here, the feedback to the learner, and even within here, you can change these afterwards. We click Submit, and it's been saved.